To speak French with me. We're going to learn another new sentence today. So, the first word we're going to learn today is how. How is pronounced as comment in French. How is translated to the word comment. And we know the next word is to speak is parler. To speak is parler. And the next word again, which we already know, is French. Français. Français. How to speak French? Comment parler français? How to speak French? Comment parler français? So next time you want to ask somebody, you want to learn some more words, you can always ask them, comment parler français? And maybe they will give you some tips. And this is something we already learned. I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je peux parler français. So that's 3 sentences today. Up till now, sorry, which we've already learned. So this is what the whole videos are about. Speak French with me. Parlez français avec moi. And see you soon in my next video. À bientôt.